In a power outage or survival situation, candles become essential. But do you know how to maximize their efficiency? In this video, we'll show you how to get the most light from your candles. Start by placing your candles on reflective surfaces, like a mirror or a piece of aluminum foil. This will amplify the light they produce and help brighten your space without needing more candles. Always trim your candle wicks to about 1/4 inch. A longer wick can cause flickering, soot, and an uneven burn, reducing your candle's efficiency and light output. Glass jars or hurricane lamps can protect the flame from drafts, allowing the candle to burn more steadily and last longer. Plus, they help contain the light in one area, making it more focused and useful. For better distribution of light, consider using multiple smaller candles instead of one large one. Position them strategically to eliminate dark spots in your room. By following these simple tips, you'll get the most light and longevity from your candles, making them a more reliable source of illumination. Hey, if you found this video helpful and want more tips like these, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below for helpful links.